Welcome to my channel. Before starting the video, for those who haven't subscribed, it would be nice to subscribe first so this channel can grow. Let's go. Week 2 Day 1. Laconic. Meaning: using very few words, concise. Pashto. Urdu. Hindi. Mandarin Chinese, Jianjia. Spanish, laconico. Arabic. Portuguese, laconico. French, laconique. Russian, lakonikny. Japanese, kanketsu na. German, lakonisch. Korean. Throng. Meaning, large crowd or multitude. Pashto. Urdu. Hindi. Mandarin Chinese, rinchuan. Spanish, multitud, mucadumber. Arabic. Portuguese, multidão, aglomeracao. French, foule, multitude. Russian, tolpa. Japanese, guanshu. German, menschenmensch, vidrange. Korean. Intrepid. Meaning, fearless or adventurous. Pashto. Urdu. Hindi. Mandarin Chinese, wuweda. Spanish, intrepido. Arabic. Portuguese, intrepido. French, intrepide. Russian, neustrashami. Japanese, daiten na. German, furchtlos, kun. Korean. Accost. Meaning, to approach and speak to someone boldly or aggressively. Pashto. Urdu. Hindi. Mandarin Chinese, dashan. Spanish, a border. Arabic. Portuguese, a border. French, a border. Russian, podojdi. Japanese, chikazuite hanashikakaru. German, anraden, ansprechen. Korean. Reticent. Meaning, reserved or not revealing one's thoughts readily. Pashto. Urdu. Hindi. Mandarin Chinese, jianma. Spanish, reticent. Arabic. Portuguese, reticent. French, reticent. Russian, skromny. Japanese, miguchina. German, zurückhaltend, verschwiegen. Korean. To the point. Calvin Coolidge, our 30th president, was named Silent Cal by reporters because of his laconic speech. One Sunday, after Mr. Coolidge had listened to an interminable asterisk sermon, a throng of newsmen gathered around him. An intrepid reporter accosted the chief executive, "Mr. President, we know that the sermon was on the topic of sin. What did the minister say?" "He was against it," the reticent Coolidge replied. Sample sentences. Use the new words in the following sentences. 1. His speech was usually rambling, but this time I found it brief and blank. 2. If a surly panhandler should blank you, keep on walking. 3. Even under repeated questioning, the witness remained blank. 4. A howling blank of teenage girls surrounded the pop stars. 5. The corporal received the Silver Star for his blank deeds in combat. 1. His speech was usually rambling, but this time I found it brief and laconic. 2. If a surly panhandler should accost you, keep on walking. 3. Even under repeated questioning, the witness remained reticent. 4. A howling throng of teenage girls surrounded the pop stars. 5. The corporal received the Silver Star for his intrepid deeds in combat. Today's idiom. Sword of Damocles, Damocles, any imminent danger. A king seated one of his subjects underneath a sword that was hanging by a hair, in order to teach him the dangers a king faces. Although the president of the company seemed quite secure, he always believed that there was a sword of Damocles hanging over his head. From Vocabulary Builder. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.